Introducing the 2026 Cupra Leon SP 15ET SI. This powerful estate car boasts 150 horsepower and a smooth DSG transmission, making it a dream to drive. With a sleek grey exterior and luxury trim interior, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Packed with comfort and safety features like cruise control, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with security features like smart card entry and privacy glass, your car is protected from every angle. This vehicle also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie to learn more about this incredible car.